helping us, right?
Yeah.
I think. Hey, do I have a steer?
Yeah, you steer.
No, I'm not.
No, leave it. Actually, you're going where you're supposed to be going. Go down and see what's going on with the captain here.
No, don't. Don't steer the ship. Don't steer the ship. Oh, the captain's
Steering the ship. Okay,
What?
go back to the map.
Down here? Because that guy's got it. That guy's got it. That guy's got everything. What?
He just jumped off. I don't know.
And why?
I don't know how you got there in the first place, and now he's left. He was checking the map to see what we're doing. Okay, go check the map.
With the captain?
Yeah. So we're close. We're very close. Take a look to see where we are.
I hope that. What? Why are they jumping off?
I guess because you can just teleport back in. Don't jump off, please. I don't want to go through that again.
Where are that?
It looks like that's the island we're going to.
Then what? Why is the don't?
Yeah, he's using. There's playing a song. He's playing the guitar. Yeah, get ready to put the sails up.
But
When you see the captain start doing something, then it's time to put one of the sails up to help him out. Okay.
what is he doing?
Oh, okay. I think we're almost there. We're there. We're getting close.
I don't want to get to there. Someone has to steer the ship.
No, we're aiming right at it. He's gonna get ready. Don't worry. We're not there yet. There. It's time. Grab the sail. Do it. Do it. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up. Put it up.
I hope we make it there in time.
Okay.
Is somebody
Now what?
Did somebody lower the anchor? Why? Why are we pulling it up?
No, he's lowering it. Help him.
That lowers it?
Oh, he's raising it. I don't know why he was down. He's gonna use the harpoon.
What's the harpoon? Hey, the sails are still up. Why? I only did that one?
Oh gosh, sorry. Oh, the captain probably put it down just to get. Yeah, he's steering around the island. See, he's gonna steer it around the island.
I hope he doesn't.
Oof.
Why would you do
Okay,
that?
now, I don't know. Now, yeah, what are you doing here? He's fixing the ship. He's fixing the ship up. I don't know if he wants to go anywhere else.
I'm not going to be stranded here, okay?